All right, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to update your playlist with affordable media. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, but I'm going to back up out of this first. Yes. So you can see the icon. So some of you all have this icon. Okay. Some of you all have this icon, which is fine. Both of them will still play the same affordable media and stuff like that. But it's just difference of where you finding stuff within each app. Some of you all have this one. I'm gonna go over that secondly. But first, I'm gonna go over how to actually make changes or change the your playlist. All right, so let's jump right on in. So once you actually um, press into the iBuild Pro, you can actually, it's going to start loading up like mine doing. It may not do it on yours, but it's doing on mine. We're going to scroll over to playlist. I'm going to click into playlist. At this point here, you're going to see two things. Now, you're not going to go down here or do anything else. You're going to stay right here. This is your playlist. This is the name of my playlist. You're going to long press. When I say long press the OK button, and even at the top it says long press OK button for more options. And that's what that means right there. You can make it, you're making changes to your playlist. So press on the middle part of your toggle button, that big round button on your Firestick remote, or if you have the Google Chromecast, you're going to press that the small black button, blue button, whatever color button that you have in the middle. You're going to press that, long press that, and it's going to manage playlists is going to come up. Once you see this here, now you can make adjustments to your playlist. You can either remove the playlist and start back over, or you can update. So today you're going to update it unless I say, hey, go in to manage playlists and remove it. If I give you that instruction, then go ahead and do it. And also too, guys, please do not delete the iBuild Pro. The entire app itself, do not delete it, because that device key and device ID will change. And then that's going to be some issues for you. We'll have another conversation, but that's not what this video is for. So let's go into update playlist. And now at this point, if you need to make any changes, if you want to change the actual the name, you want to change the username, you can go right in and change it. All you're doing is pressing that round button in the middle, and then you can clear it out and make any changes there. Then also too, if you need to make changes to the URL, if I tell you that, hey, let's make changes to that URL, I tell you to do so there. Also too, if you need to make changes to your passcode, you can do something there. But also too, if you want to add, that'll be something you can do in this as well. You'll see. Let me update. It's gonna go back out. But if you wanna add a playlist, you're gonna go here, and then if you wanna add, you're gonna go down here to add, like we done before in the installation. But this is for to actually make changes to. You're gonna go here and do that way. All right, so that ends this particular platform. Okay. So let's go into the next one for those who have the other playlist style. Give me one moment here. Yes, I want to exit. All right. And some of you all have this one. All right. So the majority of you have this one here. So we're going to go into this one, and the playlist style looks a little different. So we go up here to these three boxes here and do change server. We do the same thing. I'm a long press, and then you can update playlist, remove it, or you can just exit out. Either way it go. Come in here, make all the changes that you want, and then move from there. If I advise you to actually make changes to any one of these three fields, this is where you would come to do it. Then press update. If you want to remove your playlist, you can remove it altogether. You can remove it, remove the playlist, and type it all back over. Okay, and then exit. All right. So that's how you actually make adjustments or add your playlist. You want to add your playlist. You want to add a different playlist. You're going to go here. If you want to add a playlist, you go here. But if you want to make changes to your playlist, you just long press for more options. All right, guys, this is going to conclude this tip and trick. I hope you got something out of it. Again, thank you for your business.